In this video, I will show you how to refund Spaceship domain. But before I will show you how to do it, you need to know that there are special terms for domain refund on Spaceship, and unfortunately, you can't refund your domain if it's more than 5 days old. So you can find these refund policies. You need to write refund policy spaceship in the Google search and open the first result. And right here, you will see all of the terms. So in this case, we are interested in domain name registration, refund policies. And as you can see, guys, there are a lot of terms. In most cases, you can't refund your domain, but there are cases you can refund your newly registered domain if it's not prohibited by the applicable registry or registry operator. New domain name registrations may be refundable at the sole discretion of Spaceship if you, the registrant, cancel the domain name registration for a valid reason and the cancellation is proceed within 5 days, 120 hours after the registration. So you have got only 120 hours after the registration to initiate the refund, and you will be able to refund your newly registered domain from Spaceship. So you can read the full terms right here, and if your domain is eligible for refund, you can go to main page of the Spaceship, then click this help button in the bottom right corner, and right here you need to directly contact to the support. You can write, hello, I need a domain refund. You might be asked to show the payment proofs, payment IDs, and etc. So you need to answer all of the questions, and after that they will assist you and help you to refund the domain. That's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.